Light is a primary influencer of emotion. Natural light tends to elevate mood, improve focus, and regulate our circadian rhythms. Designers often aim to bring in sunlight strategically, from skylights to clear-story windows. But shadows have their place too. Dramatic lighting creates mystery, intimacy, and mood. The play between light and shadow is a dance that influences how sacred or mundane a space feels. Museums often use dim lighting with spotlights to isolate artworks and create contemplation. Meanwhile, schools and homes rely on diffused, bright lighting to maintain alertness and comfort. In spiritual architecture, like churches, synagogues, or mosques, light is often used symbolically. The beam of sunlight through a stained glass window isn't just pretty. It's a moment of transcendence. Shadows emphasize solemnity, reflection, and reverence. Modern tools allow architects to simulate lighting conditions over time. AI-based rendering engines can visualize how a space will look and feel at different times of day or seasons, helping to craft desired emotional tones. Light can even influence time perception. Bright, open lobbies might make waiting feel shorter, while dim corridors can slow us down and provoke mindfulness.